Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to use the Postmates app. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are interested in using Postmates. How do you actually go ahead and use the app? Now, the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is download the Postmates app. So we're going to be using an Apple device as a demonstration. But on the App Store, you're going to go ahead and search up Postmates, and it's going to look like this app right over here. So go ahead and download it and then create an account and log in. If need be, go ahead and update the Postmates app as well. Now, once you go ahead and open up the Postmates app, we're going to start by adding our address. So on the top left-hand corner, you're going to go ahead and click on it. And then this is going to go ahead and show some different addresses here. So with these different addresses, you can actually search for an address and set it as your home. And you can add different addresses depending on maybe you're traveling or maybe you're traveling to an Airbnb. You can also add those addresses here. So once you add your address, you're going to see a list of different foods that you can order from that are nearby you. So if we take a look at an actual listing here, it's going to show you the time. So you can see here it says 16 minutes, and it's also going to show you a delivery fee. So you can see it's kind of dependent on how far away the location is. So if we click on the Great Greek Mediterranean, you can see it opens up its menu. You can choose between delivery and pickup. You can see how long the estimated time is going to be for that food to be delivered for you or to you. And then this is where you can actually add food. So you can easily click on the plus icon. You can click onto an image, and then you can read how to customize that certain meal that's going to be delivered to you as well. Now, once you go ahead and are satisfied with the item, you can click on add to cart, but keep in mind that some options are required for you to fill it out. So we're just going to fill this out, click on add to cart. And then towards the bottom, you're going to click on view cart. And now it's going to show you all the items that you've added to your cart. So you can go ahead and click on delete of items that you don't want. You can click on remove and then click on go to checkout. Now it's going to do some upsells. You can just click on no thanks, or if you want, you could actually go ahead and order from here as well. Now on this option here, you have instructions. So mine says meet at my door, but you could also change it to meet outside, meet in the lobby, or leave at the location. Now it's also going to show you your phone number. It's also going to show you the delivery time. Now down over here, you can decide how fast you want your food delivered, whether it's priority, standard, or scheduled. And then you also have promotions here. This is where you can add your credit card information. So down towards here is where you're going to add your payment information. So if you click onto here, you'll be able to add different payment options. But once you're satisfied with the order, just go ahead and click on next. And that's pretty much it though, as far as how to order food goes. Down below over here, you have a profile icon. You can see your past orders by clicking on this button over here. So you can order by past items. You can order by past orders as well. And then you could also add promotions. So if you ever come across a promo code, you can click on promotions and enter that promo code here up top. Now towards the bottom, you can invite your friends and you can get referral credit. And I believe if you click on wallet, this is where you're going to be able to add your payment information as well. So this is where you can add a new credit card, debit card, or even connect to PayPal. But that's pretty much it though, as far as how to use the Postmates app to order food. It's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, the other thing I missed is that towards the bottom, you do have a search bar. So you could actually search based on different types of foods. And if you click on home again, you could actually filter from different types of foods as well. So there's gourmet foods, there's retail, there's pet. So all sorts of things that you can order from the Postmates app. Now, one of my favorite ways to filter is based on deals. So I do like clicking on offers, which is located right over here. And it just lets me see which restaurants are offering specific offers through Postmates. So for example, Stefano's Greek and Mediterranean Grill, this says buy one, get one free. Nick the Greek is also buy one, get one free. Kobashi Ramen and Curry, that's also buy one, get one free. So if you click onto this, you'll see which items are actually the buy one and get one free promo. So it's these two items over here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.